Here's a tactical mistake that I see a lot of salespeople make, especially the ones that are seasoned, that know their product inside and out, backwards and forwards. What they do is they answer questions that the buyer never asked. And it usually sounds something like this. And just so you know, it also integrates with XYZ, and it does this, and it has this cool AI feature over here, etc., etc., etc. Even though no one brought it up. So why do we do it? Because silence is very uncomfortable. We want to fill that void. Because we want to show how valuable our solution is and how valuable we are bringing it up. This could be very counterintuitive because we think more features will create more excitement. But in reality, what happens is those unsolicited features, they can create friction. They can introduce doubt. They can shift that conversation from the buyer's actual problem to your product and service. And that's where deals start to drift, oftentimes without the salesperson knowing it. So buyers today aren't looking for feature dumps. They can get that anywhere. They're looking for clarity, relevance, and confidence that they're making the right decision, the right fit. So next time you feel the urge to fill that quiet moment with another capability or feature, etc., pause and instead ask something like this. What else would you need to see to feel confident about moving forward? Or are there any gaps in what we've discussed so far that you can think of? Or something like, what concerns are still lingering for you? Use your product knowledge to qualify and ask really good questions, not to overwhelm and confuse. So remember, great selling isn't about saying anymore. It's not about telling. It's about saying what matters, asking the right questions, and building trust. Let the buyer lead and keep your focus on truly where it belongs, on them. I'm Chris McDonell. Good selling, everybody.